Welcome to Spring LIB.
This is the answer to Chapter 12, problem number 15 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us to draw the product of each of three mCPBA epoxidations. And so we should remember that an epoxidation just means adding an oxygen across the pi bond of a double bond. And so in layman's terms, we're going to lose one of the bonds of our double bond, and instead we're going to have an oxygen bound to each carbon that was formerly part of the double bond. Pardon me. So for A, that's going to look like this. So we now have a carbon-carbon single bond here, and instead, each of these carbons is bound to the same oxygen. So then B is going to be exactly the same. So carbon-carbon single bond here. Nothing else about the molecule changes. And then each of these carbons that were formerly part of this double bond are now single bound to the same oxygen. And so C is going to follow that same pattern as A and B. So carbon-carbon single bond now, and instead each of these carbons now has a bond to this epoxide oxygen. And so that's it. All that we need to do to solve this problem is just remember what epoxidation is and how it works and what an epoxide looks like. And it's going to be essentially, functionally, it's replacement of a double bond with an oxygen three-membered ring. And so that's the answer to Chapter 12, problem number 15.